Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today, we're diving into 10 unique and easy hack ideas that will simplify your life. From clever candle lighting tricks to DIY tote bags, these hacks are simple, practical, and game-changing. Let's get started. Hack 1. Pasta lighter for candles. First up, the pasta lighter hack. If your candles are too deep to reach, grab a piece of uncooked spaghetti. Light one end, and use it to reach those hard-to-light wicks. It's long enough to keep your fingers safe and burn slowly for easy lighting. Hack 2. Dryer lint fire starters. Next, let's make fire starters from dryer lint. Save your lint and stuff it into empty toilet paper rolls. These are perfect for fireplaces or campfires, lighting quickly and easily. It's a great way to recycle and be prepared for your next outdoor adventure. Hack 3. Nail polish key identifier. Tired of fumbling with your keys? Try this nail polish hack. Paint the tops of your keys with different colors of nail polish. This makes it easy to identify which key is for what lock at a glance. No more guessing games at your front door. Hack 4. Strawberry stem remover. Here's a fruity hack. Use a straw to remove strawberry stems. Simply push the straw through the bottom of the berry and watch the stem pop right out. It's quick, easy, and leaves more of the delicious fruit intact. Hack 5. Instant picture frame bumpers. Protect your walls with this simple frame hack. Apply small dots of hot glue to the back corners of picture frames. This prevents them from slipping and protects your walls from scratches. A little dab will do. Hack 6. Old t-shirt, tote bags. Transform old t-shirts into reusable tote bags. Cut off the sleeves and neckline, then tie the bottom closed. It's an eco-friendly way to repurpose old clothes and create handy bags for shopping or carrying items. Hack 7. Ice pack that won't drip. Create a no-drip ice pack by freezing a wet sponge in a sealable bag. It's perfect for injuries or keeping food cool, and you won't have to deal with messy water as it melts. A practical solution for picnics or first aid kits. Hack 8. Cupcake liner for popsicles. Keep your hands clean while enjoying popsicles with this simple trick. Place a cupcake liner under the popsicle stick to catch drips. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. No more sticky fingers. Hack 9. Rubber band for stripped screws. Struggling with a stripped screw? Place a rubber band over it before using your screwdriver. The rubber provides extra grip, making it easier to turn and remove those stubborn screws. A simple fix for a common problem. Hack 10. Paint can lid cleaner. Last but not least, here's a painting hack. Stretch an elastic band across your open paint can to wipe off excess paint from your brush. This keeps your paintbrush clean and prevents messy drips down the side of the can. And there you have it, 10 unique and easy hack ideas that will make your life a little simpler. From candle lighting to DIY tote bags, these hacks are practical, creative, and easy to implement. If you enjoyed these hacks, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Basics Hub, and hit that notification bell for more creative ideas. Share your favorite hack in the comments below, and let us know which one you'll try first. Thanks for watching, and happy hacking!